Here's how to set up your Delite Kom Dory single foldable metal bed in a few quick steps. No tools, no hassle. Step 1. Use a knife or scissors to carefully open the box. Step 2. Take out all the thermocol and packaging. Step 3. Pull out the bed from the box. Note: inside the box, you'll find a packet with a manual and a warranty card. Keep it safe. Step 4. Rotate the bed so that it stands in an upright sideways position like this. Step 5. Pull the two sides to unfold and lay the bed flat. Step 6. Gently pull the headboard and footboard from the center. Step 7. Make sure all 6 legs are straightened. Then flip the bed to use. Step 8. Congrats! Your Delite Kom Dory bed is now ready for use.